YouTube! Today I'm at Doncaster Road level crossing in Selby. The time is 24 minutes past 8 PM. Here's the lights. Sounder there. There's the barriers. The other side, but I'm not going to cross over because I don't want to kill myself. There's a signal down there. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I did show something. Unipart Rail. There's the band for you guys. What? Give me a sec. Sorry about that, I had to do something, but here we are again.
Which would have been clever because you'd have still been stuck there.
Hey guys. There's now a train coming at us. Time is 26 minutes past 8. 2 minutes from when I started the video. Oh, just faded out there. How is now down. His lights are working. There's probably 6 LEDs in there. Oh wait, no, I think there's 7 actually. I've got the one in the middle. Alright guys, I'll see you when the train comes. Let's see. One 70454. 70454. I know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.